Sarah from Roots here, and I want to talk to you about this morel I just found. Pretty excited. These are something I get pretty stoked about in the springtime, and I just want to make mention of a few things that I think about. So when it comes to the time of year that I'm thinking about morels, I am starting to think about a lot of things that don't have to do with them specifically when I want to go look for them. And it's really about what's going on in the natural world at large. And this is just an important consideration to make when it comes to foraging anything. Food, materials, and just knowing your naturalist studies well is going to really help you out. So, morel mushrooms. I'm thinking latter half of May. I'm wondering, when were the rains here last? Are there rains coming? I'm thinking about the leaves that are unfurled. Are we seeing that the maples have expanded, but the ashes are small? And the notion that oak leaves should be the size of mouse ears. I'm thinking about all these black flies. I'm thinking about general temperature, soil type, and like ecosystem type. So here we are in hardwoods, maple beech with a lot of hardhack and ash. So what's neat is that if you're looking for morels in your region, you're going to see people make mention of different types of ecosystems to look for. And that could be like under apple trees and fields, old burned out forests. Around here we talk a lot about ash trees. And so regionally this can vary significantly, and it's important to take that into consideration if you want to be somewhat efficient and direct in how you're looking for them. That said, just going for a walk and looking on the ground and looking around is totally valid and worth your time. So worth doing, but also really starting to incorporate a lot of naturalist knowledge into this is going to help and just help you at large. So why not? Super cool stuff. So I'm not here to teach you all the nuanced details of mushrooms. There are some really talented folks out there that can do that. I just know what I'm looking for when I'm looking for choice edible morels. And so by genus I can get away with this, and then species you can get real technical. I encourage you to do that. This right here is the fruiting body, and I'm recognizing this sort of whitish cream colored stalk and this enlarged head. And then I'm noting this like very pitted characteristic to it. You know, if and when you see on your own or with me with that false morel, it's very convoluted and folded. This is like a very characteristic quality of the choice morels that we're looking for. I'm about to cut into this, and what we're going to see is how this head is attached to the stem, you know, and whether it's attached here, halfway, or all the way at the bottom. So we see that that head comes all the way down and attaches all the way at the bottom. And it smells like so classically, like such a classic mushroom. I think the other really cool thing about looking for these is that when you do, it's like a brain patterning exercise, an awareness exercise. So if you see one, start looking around and you're going to find more. So just in the midst of standing here, below this beautiful ash tree, I was able to spy one in front of me and one to the back. And so really slow down, take your time, take a look, and enjoy searching for morel mushrooms.